He say, this what did he talk? He say this song die here. Now this somebody just tweet now. So the song still fresh, like say that yesterday you record and
Now good.
So if you welcome Ice Prince,
Thank you, man. Thank you,
for those of
guys.
now they listen, Ice Prince then inside here with us workshop. With me the first voice, Godwin Aruwaya, plus Lady J, Asante one of Nigeria FM, Ice Prince day here, and of course we get plenty to yarn with Ice Prince. First of all, we'll start with Ice Prince. Why you did since? Because you come like you.
where you come go?
I did for Ice Freaker.
Ice Freaker.
Yes, so I did for Ice Freaker.
Ice
Cool,
Freaker,
the
okay.
Kulele. But anyway, I did around, man. Obviously, I go anywhere far. I did very much around. I did alive. I still did make music. I still did put in efforts, you know. And the last time I released music now, like 1 year ago, when I do, I feel good, you know.
Yes.
You know, and then I can't do another one with Mr. Easy in a fix. But since that time, I never drop music for like 1 year now because I don't know whether you don't hear. But I go sign one. I sign.
Yeah, we go talk about that amount
Exactly.
300.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, the only time I hear 300, you don't see the come about that film, the 300.
Spartans.
Spartans, when the man carry 300,
Yes.
300 people go show them. But
Yes.
those men, not with these days now, when people, who feel like Boko Haram, send those guys, go there. Those
So,
300 guys ahead.
I signed that matter. Now my new record label why be on top of that. And you know, saying I'm foreign something.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
and this kind of deals they take time to put together the
Yeah.
paperwork, the
Yes.
team, the every.
Mhm.
Now why in the last 1 year I never actually released music.
Okay.
And you know 300 now the same record label where Young Thug Day,
Mhm.
where Megan Thee Stallion
Stallion Day,
Day,
yeah.
Fetty Wap Day. And now Africa did it too, you know. Nigeria
Yeah.
did it. Ice Prince the money name did
They
it.
did
it, yeah.
So
Yeah.
this deal
We
not
need-
for us, not be for me.
We need to give Ice Prince a huge siren.
Booyah!
You see this siren that
Everywhere.
they carry General Tukur Buratai.
Ah.
And this siren they carry and here this chief of defense.
Like
army
he passed my
staff
house last week.
Eh.
That's yeah.
Now this
Last week I
yeah,
been to this.
he passed my
So
side.
what we
They
need
pass
to-
every day now.
So
Yeah,
now we
he
take
always
time.
pass my house.
Every
Yeah. And then of course we need to clap for Ice Prince.
Yes, so
Nice
thank
one,
you.
nice one.
Standing
nice one.
ovation.
Thank you. I appreciate. God bless.
Congratulations, Ice Prince.
Congrats.
God
But
bless.
so
Thank you.
when we talk about this deal, this 300 deal,
Yeah.
how it take happen, where the link from come, when the conversation start,
Um,
how it be that? Of course, me I know say naturally, and a part of why they go say now from Friday they know Saturday we go good.
And
When-
weekend go good.
When you
Wisdom.
don't do better works in the past,
Yeah.
you know when somebody just check you out, when they see the quality, it no go too difficult to convince somebody say this person get something to offer.
Maybe like.
I know say that one a part of one, but tell us where did the genesis of this whole thing?
Oh man, I no go lie you. First of all, man, thank God for the talents we give me, the music where they make, they very exceptional. And me self I know, God self know, you know, I dey deliver when it comes to this music thing.
Mhm.
But really and truly, I will give credit to Ricky Davis. Ricky Davis now person wey I don dey work with for like 8 to 10 years now. She be one of the people wey follow release Ole Cool, Superstar, all those kind of songs. And a person wey still dey my side, a person wey still dey my team. She be PR person, she be A&R person. She just call me, just tell me say, Ice, I have this opportunity, and I think I trust and I believe in you to be the person to go for it. So we enter New York, and so we started to do meeting, and so we take signing. You know, so I will give credit to Ricky Davis. She be Ghanaian lady where they do things not just for me, for so many artists like Pato Rankin. She did work with them as well, like Sako Day. She did work with them as well. So that person will say she try for that one and she bring the link up.
Okay, and that's what I
Yeah.
want to ask as a follow up to this deal with 300 now.
Yeah.
And we know Ice Prince
Yeah.
for Nigeria, for Africa,
Yeah.
even the world. I mean, you win BET with best act from Africa. So
Yeah.
we know what Ice Prince get, what
Oh,
I think they
God.
bring to the table. If yes, Ice
Yeah.
Prince get new jam, we know what to expect.
Yeah.
Now, but most of the times, what would they find out say if we are signed with this American label, sometimes
Yes.
they go one can say, okay, well,
Change
we'll
the
tweak
vibe.
and change it. Yeah. So
I like.
that kind of talk there, I mean,
No.
they want you to see give
No,
us the Ice
no,
Prince.
no,
wey
you
we-
not to try that on me. You know, and another thing we say this the label, yes, now all Americans get them, but my management now Africans.
Still African man.
Everybody within my management now Africans. For example, Dami, where I come here with, now one of the people within my management team. Also, another guy we be saying in Nigel and Igbo boy, Ricky Davis, who I mentioned to you, she be from Ghana, and another lady called Haja Kobele, we be say she come from Gabon.
Oh, wow.
So my whole team
So-
are Africans.
Wow, so the whole combination na people where you feel relate with it. Now
Na-
they plan them like that.
Now people we now me plan them like that because and now people we be see around the world. These names what they call are names we don't be my team for like 8 years or more now. No be
wow.
new people, no be new friends, no be new people. Now people I only work with Tete.
Okay.
I just had to bring them back to the team or bring them back to my side so that we can actually do this together properly. Let me say that Oyibo they manage me. Let me say that Oyibo they their own the label side of things they take care of. But
Okay.
my management, na African people.
And
So
then-
our music no go change.
Yeah,
Sorry
it
to
no
cut
go
short.
change.
Our music no go
Yeah.
change. The beat no go change. The melodies no go change. The
Because
lingo no go change. I still
Yeah.
dey talk in my normal level. Nothing they change.
and it makes sense say e no go change because I mean, like I talked before, you go check to know wetin somebody fit bring to the table before you take am. So if dem check,
Exactly.
okay, see how big e be. They always talk and say at one point Ice Cream na the biggest artist for this country. We know that time we win that beat. We know now those one no be hype.
But if you check out, man, like
You
even
know?
when I gave you guys the song with French Montana, Raise the Roof,
Mhm.
I don't enter song with French Montana. I can't dey spit.
Exactly. Now you're
New
like
York lingo.
now still your same
Nah,
style.
still
you do.
broken English. I use
Yeah,
rap for the
yeah.
song, so
Yeah, so
that's
it's
what it
good.
always be.
And I like the fact that you carry your crew, people went on there with you from day one, you know,
Yeah.
they work with, so they know your
Yeah.
system, they know your
Yeah,
style, they know
yeah,
everything.
yeah.
So I mean, the issue of say, it really shows say you go the negotiation, you hold your ground, you stay your side. Say, look, I know sir, the consign with you now, I guess I'm just what I need to do, but
Yeah, but my people,
these people go still
yeah,
there, my
100,
style go still there, and
100,
that's what it's supposed to be. There's
100.
one express on them.
Yeah, I mean, well, at the point that time the question just they hot.
Okay.
But this now waiting I be one I want to say okay, you get when you come out from Chocolate City,
Yes.
and then you release Aboki. I
No,
mean, you see there.
I did
No, you see,
Chocolate
they
City.
just
see they- okay.
yes.
You
When I
release,
when I leave Chocolate City, man, I do popping in my name.
Yeah, it's popping in my
Yeah.
name. I remember that one. Then you get one where be I like this girl in particular.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That one
Then
was
after
2 years ago.
2 years ago. So why it come the I notice say the time we they release song it no be like before back to back.
Back
It
to
come be
back.
like 2 years, 1
Well,
year before this one now.
well, you're right. You're right. You're very, very right with that one. And I believe, say, waiting happen, be say, I just start to dey take my time to deliver. I want to deliver quality. I don't want rush music. I don't want rush. Enter studio, carry hot beat, drop. No, I want make sure say every time I release music, the music will really, really stand out. I want focus on making classics. I don't want make hits. I want make classics, and that takes time. You know, sometimes that takes time. I know. Say when I did younger, like you said,
Yeah.
like 10 years ago, I was
Mhm.
it was a little bit faster,
Yes,
faster.
yes,
But you
yes.
know, I don't be the same age no more. You know what I'm saying?
So right now you go need to date more
Like
deliberate,
exactly,
develop
and
things, more
the
strategic.
ears where they listen to me, like they a little bit larger. We be say I really need to take my time to make sure say guitars they sound right, drums they sound right,
Mhm.
lyrics they sound right, everything they on point. So now why? But hey, like I told you, now I'm back with new music. I know what they keep you for too long before you hear another one.
Okay, fine. Now talking about new music, Mo we'll go see ask you something about C300, but more talk, make up your mind.
Yep.
When you dey do the song, wetin make you feature Techno inside number one? Who produced the song and wetin inspired this song?
Okay, the song was produced by a producer called Stunner. Now, young boy, where they doing things, they do amazing things. Now, person we did the same thing with them Killer Tunes and
Okay.
DJ Spino.
Mm.
So Stunner Beats. Now, producer we have for like me when I make people watch out for. He did very amazing. And then Techno, me and Techno just get this chemistry we really make sense. Techno now one of my closest friends, artists, amongst my artist colleagues. Now, person we see over the years, me and him don't really connect before. For my very first song, Onyeneku, when we say he remix Oleku, I can't put verse on top. Me and him, since that time, me and him, every time we link up, the chemistry just be perfect, you know.
And the northern vibe again they there. because
Exactly,
they're
the
born and
northern.
Bauchi,
Need
and they hear Hausa.
a techno Hausa muke. Bamwa, we don't speak
Bakwa
English.
Turanci.
Bamwa Turanci. Every time we talk, we always in Hausa.
Okay.
Wallahi talahi, me and Techno always speak in Hausa. People don't even believe that Techno speaks Hausa like that.
Yeah, Hausa.
Yeah, so say 100.
Okay, Lady, what you that you was in interview for Hausa yesterday where you dey struggle? Make an answer this place, make it remember, put something like that. Okay, I go remember. I think that's how the Hausa say sharp passion.
Yeah.
Whatever. Even if it's your sharp pass around, we go still
We
say you. We go still say you. So don't put your corner for
Okay,
there.
no wahala.
Hey.
We go decide what that can sell us. So as people don't tell us about Make Up Your Mind, who produced them, and I hook up with Techno. Now I don't watch the video. I love the video. We'll talk more about the video
Yeah.
and then talk. Moving on from that now. What else we will talk about? We will also talk about relationship issues, woman in life, serious one. And we'll open the lines for all of us to get a chance to follow Ice Prince Yan. Okay, so we don't talk about 300, talk about the new song, Make Up Your Mind, the video, then we'll talk about it later. But more just mash breaks, more breeds, more take the new music.
Yes,
Make
so
Up Your Mind. Of course, now the year out here already for Nigeria FM 2.7, but Ice Prince, we'll play it one more time, featuring Techno. We'll talk about the video when we come back. We'll give you a chance to follow Ice Prince with it. So make sure you get credit for your phone ready to call.
I like you, boy.
Nigeria FM. Make Up Your Mind, Ice Prince, Techno. Now they come next. Enjoy.
You already know. Oh shit, my God.